If you're over 60 and waking up with stiff joints, swollen legs, or aching knees, your body might be crying out for something it's no longer producing enough of: collagen. Collagen is like scaffolding for your body, holding your joints together, supporting your muscles, and keeping your skin firm. But after 50, your collagen levels start to drop fast. The result? Swelling, stiffness, pain, and feeling older than you really are. But here's the good news: you can start rebuilding your collagen naturally, without expensive supplements, just by eating the right foods. In this video, we're revealing 8 collagen-rich foods that help reduce leg swelling, ease joint pain, and rebuild strength from the inside out. Let's dive in. This is number 1 for a reason. Real bone broth, simmered for hours from beef, chicken, or fish bones, is packed with collagen, gelatin, and key minerals like magnesium and calcium. Drinking bone broth daily floods your body with the building blocks it needs to repair connective tissue. And because it's warm and soothing, it also reduces water retention and inflammation in your legs. Want to try it? Look for bone broth that's slow cooked and free from additives, or make your own at home. Salmon contains small amounts of natural collagen, especially in the skin, but it's the combination of collagen and anti-inflammatory omega-3 fatty acids that makes it so powerful for swollen legs and sore joints. Omega-3s help lower inflammation that breaks down collagen over time, and salmon is one of the most bioavailable sources. Your body can absorb it easily. Eat it grilled, baked, or even canned. Just go for low sodium. Bonus points if you eat the skin. You've probably heard that eggs are a great protein source, but did you know they also contain nutrients your body uses to make collagen? The whites are rich in proline and glycine, 2 essential amino acids for collagen production. The yolks contain healthy fats and vitamin D, which supports your joints. And if you're using farm-fresh eggs, even the shells can be a source of calcium. 2 eggs a day can be a great step toward rebuilding strength from within, especially if paired with leafy greens. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries all have something in common. They're rich in vitamin C, which your body needs to synthesize collagen. Without enough vitamin C, you can't properly rebuild or repair connective tissue, even if you eat collagen-rich foods. Berries are also anti-inflammatory and help reduce swelling by improving blood flow and circulation. Critical for people over 60 who deal with leg puffiness or fluid buildup. Spinach, kale, arugula, and Swiss chard are collagen-supporting powerhouses. They're rich in vitamin C, magnesium, and antioxidants that protect your existing collagen from breaking down. One more secret? Leafy greens are high in chlorophyll, which studies suggest can increase collagen production in the skin and connective tissue. Try sautéing them with garlic and olive oil, or add a handful to your morning smoothie. Oranges, lemons, grapefruits, and limes don't contain collagen directly, but they supercharge your body's ability to make it. The high levels of vitamin C, bioflavonoids, and water content help flush out toxins and reduce inflammation around the knees and ankles. Drinking lemon water first thing in the morning is a simple way to hydrate and support collagen regeneration at the same time. Here's something most people throw away: chicken skin. When cooked properly, chicken skin is one of the richest sources of natural collagen, especially type 2 collagen, which is found in cartilage and helps reduce joint stiffness. Instead of removing the skin, try baking or air frying it until it's nice and crispy. Just avoid deep frying, since that cancels out the benefits with those inflammatory oils. And if you're making soup, don't skim the fat. Keep that collagen-rich layer for your joints. Chia seeds may not contain collagen directly, but they're actually vital for collagen function. Why? Because they're loaded with omega-3s, fiber, and antioxidants, all of which protect and stabilize collagen in your tissues. They also help reduce water retention and swelling by improving hydration at a cellular level. So, just add a spoonful to your yogurt, smoothie, or overnight oats to amplify the collagen benefits of the rest of your breakfast. Bonus tip: what to avoid that kills collagen. Now that you know what to eat, let's talk about what to avoid, because even the best foods won't help if you're sabotaging your collagen every day. Here are the biggest collagen killers after 60: refined sugar, smoking, excessive alcohol, inflammatory seed oils like soybean or corn oil, and poor sleep. If you're trying to reduce leg swelling, all of these are your enemies. Sugar in particular binds to collagen and makes it stiff and brittle, leading to pain and stiffness. How to put it all together. Want to feel a real difference in just a week? Here's a simple collagen-rich meal plan idea. For breakfast, have eggs with sautéed spinach, plus a bowl of berries or chia pudding. Lunch could be chicken and kale soup made with bone broth. For dinner, try grilled salmon with arugula and citrus salad. And for snacks, enjoy Greek yogurt with lemon zest and chia seeds. This combination supports collagen production, reduces swelling, and nourishes your joints naturally. Signs your collagen is improving. How will you know it's working? Here are some real signs. Less puffiness in your legs and ankles, smoother skin, especially on your arms and neck, reduced joint pain in the knees or hips, improved flexibility and range of motion, better posture and stronger leg muscles. Remember, consistency is everything. These foods work best when they're eaten regularly, not just once in a while. If you're over 60, you don't have to accept joint pain, stiffness, and swelling as part of aging. With the right collagen-rich foods, and the wisdom to avoid what breaks collagen down, you can walk taller, move easier, and feel younger from the inside out. Which of these 8 foods will you try first? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more science-backed health tips for people over 50. Your body still has the power to rebuild. You just need to feed it what it's been missing.